crappy designer. What is good? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review of this Access TonnoSport Tonneau cover I got. I got it about 3 months ago. Purchased from Real Truck online, $312 to $372 online. One of the reasons I purchased this one is because it's super slim line, sticks up about a ½ an inch. You can't hear it when you're driving. It waffles around a little bit. You can't hear it. It's pretty good material here that was used. I wouldn't put anything on top of it. It's got 2 bars in the middle here, along with the one in the back. If you come around the back here, it's just got one lever here that lifts up, and then it's got the clips up here when you roll it all the way up. As you can see, this thing's pretty easy to open and close. You don't really need to slam anything. Just this one lever over here. Make sure it clips in. That's it. Sitting right around mid-range for tonneau covers. I would say you can get a really cheap one for around 100, and then you can spend crazy money. I wanted to stay with a roll-up because I don't have a long bed in this Tacoma, and I really can't make it any shorter without it just being useless. So I went with the roll-up, soft top. Even the roll-ups, hard tops, it takes space out of your bed. That's why I went with this cover. Right around mid-range and slim is basically why I got it. It's lasting pretty well. However, I don't know when this happened. We're in New Jersey. It doesn't get that hot here. Might have had a couple of days around 100, but the glue, if you come up here, the glue just got pretty much destroyed on half of the driver's side panel here. I really don't know how it happened. If you roll it up, you can see it way better. Right here, you can start to see where it's coming up. And then all the way to the front, this whole side. I mean, I've had this thing for 2 months, and like I said, we're in New Jersey. We're not in Florida. For the glue to mount, I feel like it's pretty crappy design or glue. I don't really know. I didn't do anything crazy to this thing or like rip it apart. At 2 months old, this shouldn't be happening. I'm going to try to Gorilla Glue it or liquid nails. If anyone else has had this issue, drop a comment below and let me know what you did. There is a screw here on it and in the front, so I might tap some screws into it. But I mean, it's kind of unacceptable, really. Other than that, like the slim line, I really liked, and the material, but I guess what they use here for the Velcro is just not that good. I did purchase the model with the weather strips. It's just these 2 pieces of foam up here in the front that's supposed to keep the rain out. I'd say it's like 80% effective. A little bit of water got in at the 2 corners by the cab. With that being said, I can't really tell you if I'd buy this product again, because it's really gonna be based on if they, make this good and either send me a new one or give me a partial refund of some sort. So I'll keep you updated. I'm gonna call the manufacturer. I'm gonna call Real Truck first, let them know, see if they do anything, and then go from there. If I have to call the manufacturer, I'll call them, and then I'll make another video either fixing it with the liquid nails or Gorilla Glue or something, or I'll let you know if they supplied me with a new rail for this driver's side. And if that one holds up, hopefully the other side stays. That's been going pretty well. So this is going to be an ongoing thing. I'll keep you updated. As always, thanks for watching.